Happy morning, friends, and good wishes, my students. Today, I would like to discuss about Lucius Annaeus Seneca, a Roman philosopher, and he is also popularly known as Seneca the Younger. So, he had given a lot of quotations, and I like them very much. And today I would like to share some of the quotations given by him. So, for example, the first quotation I have taken from his quotation is, "Those who suffer when seeing others' happiness will never be happy." Look at that. So, when others are happy, you should share that happiness. Otherwise, keep quiet. But when you are annoying their happiness, when you are suffering their happiness, when you don't like their happiness, what happens? You will be never happy. So, when others are happy, try to share that happiness with you. Otherwise, keep quiet. But don't jealous of their happiness. When you start suffering about their happiness, you will be never happy in your life. That is the quotation given by him. The second quotation I have taken from his quotations: respect those who are trying to do great things, even if they failed. Doesn't matter. And when you are doing something, it is not a rule or it is not compulsory that every act of you will become successful event. Not necessarily. Sometimes, invariably, you may face failure. Doesn't mean when it is a great thing, when you are working for a great things, even though if you fail, you must be respected by others. That's what I mean to say to my students. When somebody is doing a great thing, if he fails, doesn't matter. Give respect to him. When people are doing great things, they should be respected, irrespective of the result. Now and then they may face failure, doesn't matter. When they are doing great things, they must be respected. Very important quotation has given, and that is, friendship ends where mistrust begins. When one doesn't trust other person, or other person doesn't trust this person, when a mistrust between the two friends begins, that is the beginning of erosion of your friendship. Mistrust between the two friends causes the end of their friendship. Mistrust is the basis for break of the friendship. So, when you are doing a friendship with other person, have a trust on him. The same person also should have a trust in you. Then only your friendship should be forever. And when you start not trusting other person means, when you exhibit mistrust means, that is the beginning of end of your friendship. Always have a trust in the friendship. When mistrust begins, that leads to the end of the friendship. Now, very important quotation which he had given 65 AD. So that is almost 2000 years ago he had given that quote. That is applicable, the most appropriate quote even for today also. Look at that quotation. Every night before going to sleep, we must ask ourselves, what weakness did I overcome today? What virtue did I get or did I acquire? Look at that quotation, I repeat once again. Every night before going to sleep, we must ask ourselves two questions. One question is, What weakness did I overcome today? What virtue did I acquire today? So every day, if you have a bad habit, you must avoid it. And if you have a weakness, you should avoid it. And every day, learn one virtue, one good thing. So that's what he said, 65 AD. And now, another important quotation. If you want to live for yourself, live for others. What a beautiful quotation. Kindness matters. Helping fellow human beings gives immense pleasure. Helping others is nothing but looking God in Him. When you help others means you derive unimaginable happiness. So always, if you really want to live for yourself, if you really want to live yourself, live for others. What a quotation he had given long time ago. So another important quotation he has given. The highest wealth is absence of greed. You should not have greedy. You should not have greed. You should never be greedy. Wherever, whenever there is a possibility, try to help others. Don't earn money through unlawful measures, and don't become greedy. So your real highest wealth is absence of your greedy nature. So absence of greed. Okay. So another important quotation, simple quotation, that is, great people are fed by work. What a beautiful. There is no secret for success except hard work, hard work, hard work. For that he said, great people are fed by hard work only. Great people's food is hard work only. Great people are fed by work only. What a wonderful quotation he has given to us. So the last 8th quotation. Today I have taken 8 quotations from his book. And the last quotation. Let us speak what we think and think what we say. Let our words match our lives. Our life. So let us speak what we think and think what we say. Let our words match our life. Look at that. Yad bhavam tad bhavati. Your life is what your thoughts make it. That is our Sanskrit sloka. Yad bhavam tad bhavati. So whatever you think, you should say. Whatever you say, you should do it. That's why we call it as integrity. So what he said is, let us speak what we think and let us think what we say. Let our words match our life. Saying one thing, doing another thing is not a worthy life. Whatever you think, you speak that. Whatever you speak, you do that. That is a worthy life. Your words should match your life. So these are the 8 quotations given to us by Seneca, a philosopher, a Roman philosopher. So all these quotations were taught to us almost 2000 years ago. That is 65 AD, when the Seneca was living. Look at that. So try to understand these quotations, try to follow them, you will be happy. Shubham Bhuyat. Namaskar.